is the best part. But it's very necessary. So what you want to do, what we do, we get all of our cooked stuff. We got some over there, some over here, whatever. So we're just, you can strip this, you can cube this, you can shred it. If you got something to shred it, whatever you gotta do to get it all cut up. Do this so it's a lot easier to weigh. So we'll just run through these. And you just take it, get it all in your bucket. We'll weigh it out after we get it all cut. We'll be back to show you that. All right, so we made it through all the chicken cutting up. We got our baked chicken and we got our grilled chicken. I like to keep it in little pieces, just makes it easier to eat, I guess. You can do whatever size you want. We also got our steak over here. Get ready to cut it up. We'll probably get through the chicken first. So we have a pretty good system. Whenever she gets back in, she had to investigate some stuff outside. I don't know what it was. When she gets back in here, we'll show you that. So we kind of, yeah, man, you just weigh it and bag it. And then you bag and tag. Run you through that here in a couple minutes. Circling back to the scale thing, I think we had a little video glitch. So you're just gonna zero it to whatever container you're gonna use. We're good. And then you're gonna get you, I do 4 ounces at a time. So you're gonna get pretty close there. Yeah, so there you go, 4 ounces. I do 2 chicken meals a day, so that'll be 10 containers of 4 ounces. And then we're gonna, like I said before, we're gonna get to showing you how to bag and tag all this stuff. So, all right, so I got a cup of peas in here. We already showed you how to do the chicken. We're gonna add the rice. So what I do, I'll normally get the frozen green veggie. I throw them in here frozen because they'll thaw out, and then when they thaw out, I mean, it's fine. I'm gonna heat up the meal. I put the meal in the microwave, so it warms it all up anyway. So you can steam these and throw them in, just whatever is to your liking. To me, I like the freshness and of them just being thawed out from being frozen, raw, I guess. Now we're about to throw the rice in. So this is from the rice cooker. Again, essential tool, but you can get by without it. Another thing you can do outside of, you got all this chicken, shows you how to cook all this. Well, if you say you don't have time, or you don't have a lot of access. When I traveled at a hotel, I would do the rotisserie chickens. You can go get a couple of those for $4 or $5 a piece, and you can shred them. You can use rotisserie chicken. Again, the frozen veggies, there's no cooking there. And rice, fairly easy to prepare, even without a rice cooker. This is Sunday right here, man.